Good morning. My name is Lindsay Campos, and I will share about the personality trait Chipil. The definition is Chipil is a word of Nahuatl origin used in Mexican Spanish to describe a state of emotional vulnerability, often sadness or nostalgia accompanied by a desire for affection or attention from loved one, such as a mother, partner, or close friends. While traditional associated with childs who feel negligent, the term is now widely sorry, used to describe the similar feelings in people of any age. One example of this is a person who feels Chipil might crave emotional closeness after a period of stress or isolation. In the scale presentation for the sample size for 2,500 participants, he has three main questions. The first one is after periods of stress or isolation, I crave affection and emotional closeness. The question number two is expressing my needs for affection helps me to feel more connected with others. And the last one is I often feel the need for attention or care, even if nothing specific is wrong. This question and answer in the scale the 0 4 7 when 0 is strongly disagree and 7 is strongly agree. Unique difference is in the question number two because this is opposite way. In the scale assessment, there's an intercorrelation. Is the intercorrelation between the questions. So the average of correlation above with the question one, with the two, with the three, and the O. This the average intercorrelation is negative 0.014 indicates a lack internal coherence among items. With events like negative relationship, this suggests that the items do not share variance and are not measuring in the same psychological construct, which compromises the reliability of the slides. Probably it's necessary to do a little change in the question for to the better results. The correlation findings is the correlations between the exacto with the chipil. In the first one for extraversion, it's the almost null. Behind is a chipil is no relative to behind the outgoing. In relation with agreeableness with chipil, it's very like positive relationship that sorry, people people has little more chipils tends to build a little kindle. And with the conscientiousness is almost zero. Chipil is not relates to the responsibility. With emotional stability, it's very, very low. It's almost zero tendency to greater, it's almost zero tendency to greater emotional stability is equal to a little more Chipil. Sorry. And with the openness, the relationship right here is, or the correlation right here is almost zero. It's nothing to do with openness or mid-sense. The last one is the honestly humility is with the correlation. It's like negative relationship. More Chipil, it's equal to slightly less humility, honestly. And and the last one result right here, it's in correlation with the other trial with the other student. This trial is miedosa trial. In correlation with Chipil, the relation it's almost null. It's behind a Chipil does not imply behind too fearful. It's just a touch, but it's minimal. And in correlation with the big five personality traits, is almost the same thing. The all correlation are really low. The Shipil is independent trait for the big five, not a derivative of these dimensions. The only slight association is with agreeableness, with male positive. And this suggests that Shipil has a touch of affiliative affectively, but a very subtle one. This is not likely linking with neurotic extraversion, consciousness, or openness. So finally, the visualization in this result is the correlation between Sheffield and agreeableness. This is a tendency in the scarlet part. It's it's really low too. In conclusions, analysis shows Chipil is not significantly related to exact or verified trials. The correlation for the all values are very low, indicating independence from these personality models. Interpretations that Chipil linkly represent a distinct affective cultural phenomenon, and the natural is closer to emotional style than the universal trial. I hope this information helped you for understand better what is the relation with Chipil and the exact or a big fat try. Thank you for your attention.